Hello, good morning to all students and the viewers. So here I am starting with 1.7 Why We Travel, given to you by Siddharth Pico Raghavan, a year born in 1957. So he has got the education at Oxford, England, and known as Pico Iyer. He is a British-born American essayist, novelist, and best known for his traveling writing. So here further, let's have a slight introduction about what he want to say. Very finely, it is a classic essay he has given to you. Pico Iyer explores the reason for his passion, okay, of traveling and in search and shares them with the reader. Now exactly, it is a long essay, so I will try to cover almost all points to give a fine explanation so that it can be easy for you. Okay, so here first I will try to explain. The writer says why we travel. Writer asks the questions and itself give the answers to you in the extract. Further he says that in the lines that he has given famous quotes of the famous philosophers and the writers where they give the priority of and the importance of traveling. And he also says that the extract is very inspiring for the readers who love adventure. So let's start the prose. So here in the starting itself, why we travel, the writer says you the writer try to discuss with you what is traveling exactly for you. So according to him, he says that traveling is the thing to get lost in something, to find ourselves, okay, and traveling is the thing to explore ourselves, to explore the world where we can get happiness. And he says to explore in the sense to your heart and your eyes should be open to find the reality and the real experience which you gain from the traveling. Okay, when your feelings are there, when you're truly involved, you feel that the traveling gives you happiness, then exactly you gain the knowledge. Okay, and traveling is the thing writer here also gives that we shares lots of culture, we meet varieties of people, lots of thinking is there, different perspective is there. So further he also says the whole world is full of variety of people, variety of culture, and the thing which we like we take it with us, so that again he says that we shares the culture, okay, and the world is very rich with variety of culture. Further he also want to say that traveling gives us the knowledge, happiness, and the most important thing he want to say here is that there are varieties of people we meet. Further he himself says that his parents were Indian and he is a British, so he himself says that he is born as a traveler. Okay, and further he has given a fine example of a Spanish philosopher, that is George Santhanam. He says, he quotes the line here that one has to get lost in the loneliness and be aimless, to with no means no having no aim. Okay, no aim which is given, these things he has given in his essay Lapidary. Okay, here he says that traveling is a sense to get lost, to in search of happiness. In search of happiness means the happiness which gives you a feel that a satisfaction. So again he want to say that traveling is a thing where people are ready to take the risk of the life. Okay, traveling sharpens the edge, we meet the people, we interact, we learn a lot, and the people are ready to take the risk. For the writer discusses with you, there are very people who has forgot the importance and the difference between travel and traveler. The first he says that travel is the thing which is from your heart, which gives you wisdom, happiness, and you explore the world clearly. You experience the beauty with the belief that you trust yourself, the happiness you get by traveling. Okay, and traveler is the thing which is very hard, which is forceful. And further he want to say that whatever you do, whatever traveling you have doing, in that there should be a feel, it should be from your heart, otherwise it will be just uncaring, or it can be said as blind. It is very true. A sense of feeling should be from the heart. traveling should not be the thing with just for the namesake. For the in simple sense, traveling, he says, the belief system should be at home. Okay, you should not be certain, your assumption should not be there. Just take the thing as it comes in front of you. Okay, then only we'll get the clear happiness and clear success. For the differentiate between tourist and traveler. So here he says that tourist is the one who carries the beliefs and the assumption with him, and whereas the traveler is the one who travel the world with no carrying nothing. His mind is open, his heart is open, with no but and in, and he takes the thing as it comes in front of him. He try to adjust, he is flexible according to the situation. The main thing is to gain the knowledge, the main thing is the enjoyment, other than the things are the same. Okay, so here I stop for the slight introduction of the prose. Okay, in the next lecture I will cover some more points. Thank you class. Please like it, share it and subscribe it.